here. Welcome back to the Impatient DIYer. Just wanted to give you guys a quick update on kind of where I've been. I haven't posted any videos recently. Haven't really done anything on my channel recently. Been trying to reply to any comments that I've gotten from people, but life has gotten crazy and I just kind of wanted to show you what's been going on. So I am at a house that my husband and I purchased in August, and this is going to be our home, but we're not living here currently because it's a hot mess. So let me just show you what's going on. So that's like my office area that I was just in. It's the only part of the house that is together still, really. This is my house. My husband and I, we took down all of the walls ourselves. We have filled up 2 dumpsters and are on our 3rd dumpster right now. And that's about what my kitchen is. My fridge works, my oven works. That's all I've got. Got like a sad TV set up here in case we need a break. The upstairs looks exactly the same as down here. It's been crazy, and I know that everyone loves seeing this kind of stuff, but this has just taken like a crazy emotional toll on myself and my husband, because like our intention was not to buy a house that we had to just basically build from the ground up. Like you can see, like we have no electricity right now. All the electrical wire for the upstairs has been run, but I have electricity in the front of my house and the back of my house because those were additions that were put in the 90s, and it's got drywall. But yeah, like this is going to be my kitchen eventually. It's gonna be my dining room eventually. They covered up 2 windows here that we're gonna put new windows back in. They're like 50 million doorways that we have found in this house. This doorway here was covered up. There's 2 doors here and here were covered up, as well as one back here. Like super weird stuff that we have found, but awesome thing, like the floors, once we get these babies sanded and done, got really nice hardwood floors, so win on that one. But yeah, we are here every day. We don't have the heat set above 40 or 50 because we don't want to heat the neighborhood because there's no insulation in the house right now. So definitely double layers and just hoping for the best. But yeah, I'm gonna try and post some things the next coming days, coming weeks, now that we have some contractors coming in to do some structural stuff and less of me carrying really heavy trash bags out into a dumpster. So yeah, hopefully you guys will see a little bit more of me. I'm super sad that I kind of missed all of Thanksgiving season and all of Christmas season. I've almost had this channel for a year now. So yeah, this is kind of where I'm at. And I could use all of the words of love and encouragement that you guys have. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching and just kind of seeing what's going on. Bye for now, guys.